Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we have Dubai, who has embarked on an innovative project to tokenize real estate assets using Ripple's XRP Ledger, also known as XRPL. So far they have attracted over 3,000 registered investors. This initiative, led by Dubai Land Department, also known as DLD, in partnership with Pripco, Mint and CTRL Alt, marks a significant step in blending blockchain technology with real estate investment. Let's have a look. What actually is happening? So Dubai is converting ownership deeds of government-owned real estate properties into digital tokens on the XRP Ledger, which is a blockchain network. These tokens represent a fractional ownership, meaning investors can buy a portion of a property rather than the whole asset. Launched as a pilot in March 16th, the project is the first of its kind in the Middle East and North Africa region. The key details of this are the participants. So far they have over 3,000 investors which have joined the waitlist, showing strong interest despite the program being limited to the UAE. And we have regulators involved. The DLD is supported by the Dubai Future Foundation, the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA, and the Central Bank of UAE, adding credibility and oversight. And the current stage, the project is in its pilot phase, testing the concept before broader rollout. Why is this happening? So Dubai's decision to tokenize real estate on the XRPL stems from several strategic goals. So we have accessibility and liquidity. Traditional real estate investment requires significant capital, often locking out smaller investors. Tokenization lowers this barrier by enabling fractional ownership, making Dubai's property market more inclusive, and tokens can be traded quickly on digital platforms, unlike traditional property sales that can take months, increasing market liquidity. So why XRPL? Speed and cost. The XRP Ledger is known for fast transaction settlements, can be within seconds, and the low fees, ideal for frequent trading of tokenized assets. The security. Blockchain ensures tamper-proof record of ownership, reducing the fraud risks. Ripple's influence. Ripple has been pushing real-world assets tokenization on XRPL with prior investments in tokenized funds and treasury bills. Dubai's choice aligns with this ecosystem, and we have economic and leadership goals. The DLD predicts real estate tokenization could grow into a $16 billion market by 2033. With $3 billion of tokenized assets already in the UAE, this project could accelerate economic growth. Dubai aims to position itself as a global leader in real estate tokenization, capitalization, limited competition in this niche. So as always, we were going to go through the pros and cons, starting off pros for the project. Increased accessibility. The fractional ownership opens real estate investment to smaller investors, democratizing a market traditionally reserved for the wealthy. Enhanced liquidity. Tokenized assets can be traded easily, making it simpler to buy and sell property stakes compared to traditional real estate transactions. Attractive investments. With 3,000 plus investors already registered, the project signals strong demand, potentially boosting Dubai's economy and reinforcing its status as the blockchain innovation hub. We have regulatory credibility, oversight from multiple regulations, that is the DLD and VARA Central Bank, lends legitimacy, especially after issues with private tokenization projects like Unicoin, which faced SEC lawsuits for misleading the investors. And last one is first mover advantage. Globally, real estate tokenization is underdeveloped compared to financial products like securities. Dubai could set a standard and dominate this emerging sector. And we have the cons for the project. Early stage risks. As a pilot, the project is untested at scale. Technical glitches, security vulnerabilities, or operational hiccups could emerge. Limited eligibility. Restrictions participation to UAE residents, narrows the investor pool, potentially capping initial growth and liquidity. Dependence on the XRPL. Trying the project to one blockchain could limit the flexibility if other networks offer better features later. It's unclear if Dubai will expand beyond XRPL. Regulatory double-edged sword. While regulatory involvement boosts trusts, overly strict rules could hinder innovation or slow the project's expansion. And lastly, we have the potential for volatility. Frequently, trading of tokenized assets might introduce price fluctuations, adding risk to the typical stable asset class like real estate. So if successful, this project could position the UAE as a pioneer in the real estate tokenization, with Ripple securing payment license in Dubai and onboarding institutions to the XRPL. Blockchain's institutional adoption is growing. Meanwhile, the regulatory backing contrasts with private sector scandals with the Unicoin offer investors a safer alternative. Dubai's real estate tokenization sandbox could become a global model, leveraging the UAE's $3 billion head start in tokenized real estate. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.